Inside, we had Solomon's temple with the twin towers, right? Joachim and Boaz, the twin towers. And then here's the altar, the Masonic altar. This is the Temple of Solomon. And what was the building behind the twin towers? Building 7 was known as Solomon's building. And what was Building 7? It was more than just a building, it was the headquarters. And what was the design of Building 7? It was in the shape of a trapezoid. The leaders of the Church of Satan are called the Order of the Trapezoid. Aleister Crowley, probably a lot of you already are familiar with who he is, but Barbara Bush, George Jr.'s mom, she's said to be his daughter. Crowley says that number 11 is the number of magic. So that would be the perfect number to name a flight, a notional flight, nominal, that's going to hit one of the twin towers. Liber 175, which is one of his books, is the number of a ritual to invoke any deity by adoration. So both of those numbers are powerful satanic numbers. They just happen to be the numbers that they named those pretend flights that never hit the twin towers. Well, what's 77? It represents the goat of the Sabbath on an altar. We're talking about a goat. By having flight 77 hit there, we're referring to the goat in the pentagram, right? The goat goes into the pentagram. Wow, I mean, that's the perfect ritual. Flight 93 just disappeared into the ground. What does 93 mean in terms of Satanism? It is a code word for do what thou wilt, which is a satanic proverb. When they go to write a letter, a message, like Aleister Crowley, what he would do is he would write 93 at the top of the message, and at the end of the message, he'd write 9393, the end of message. So 93 means that a message is going to be sent. The message. Let's roll. And they named that flight, Flight 93.